Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your region or country inside the Play Store on your device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store and then you want to click on your user profile, top right hand corner. And now from here, what you want to do is click on to payments and subscriptions. And you want to click on payment methods. And then look down below where it says more options, click on more payment settings. Now this is going to open up a web browser. And now from here, you want to click on the three lines, top left hand corner. Then from here, what you need to do is tap onto settings. And if we scroll down here, you can see where the country and region is. So just go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit this. And then it will say you need to create a new payments profile when you move to a new country or region. So go ahead and click on create new profile. And then you want to click on continue. So your payment profile and payment methods are tied to a single country or region. Creating a new profile won't affect your current services. They'll continue to be paid for using your current profile. So go ahead and click on to continue. And now from here, click on the drop down menu and just choose your country or region you'd like to change it to, and then click continue. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose United States. So I'm going to scroll down. There it is there. I'm going to click on continue. And there you go. You can see it's been changed to United States. Thanks for watching.